Shut her down.
Here on the 57 Buick, it was pouring fuel out when Brian and I were trying to get it going. And then it would stall. So I'm gonna definitely pull this carb and rebuild it. Just got one more bolt to go. And the fuel line, and then this will be off. Down the carb here from Brian's Buick. Get started. Base plate pretty much apart, as much as we need to go. So we've got it torn down a bit more. It's not too shabby inside, which is actually amazing. It's usually stuff yucky. It's been rebuilt recently, and that's a modern style accelerator pump. But coming along. Main body's disassembled. Now we just got floats and all that jazz. Easy, done deal. Ready for a bath.